I'm going to give you an example on how to curl hair with a flat iron. You're going to take a section and you want to put it right in the middle of the hair. You want to turn it and then just slide it. Slide it towards yourself. That's how you would get curls. I'll show you again. Right here, turn it and slide it. And then you'll get that curl. Again, just hold it in the middle, turn it halfway, and then just slide it. Welcome to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. I'm Carrie, and today we have Meredith as our model.
Today she's going to show you how to do a cute bow updo. So let's get started.
You're going to start by taking a section from the top. Anything I use in her hair, I'll leave a link in the description box below. About this much. Smooth it out. Put an elastic band on it. Okay, so before you go and take the rest, pull the rest through, you're going to just take it halfway. I'm going to pull it halfway through like this, okay? Now you're going to go ahead and split this in the middle. Separate it. Tighten it down. Now you're going to just take bobby pins and then just pin the loop down close to the edge. Do the same thing on the other side. Right here on the edge. Okay. You're going to take your topsy tail. You're going to put it right through the top here. And then take a section right here of this tail and pull it through. Bring it up. Pull it right through the topsy tail. And then you take the topsy tail and pull it right through. Now, if she doesn't have long hair to do that, you can go ahead and take a bobby pin and just place the bobby pin in the middle up here to hold it in. See? And that's it for the bow. Now, you're going to go ahead and take another section right here, right by the corner of her eye, on both sides, section it off, and then you're going to go ahead and put it in a ponytail. Smooth it out first. Secure it off. Again, you're just going to go halfway through. Now tighten it down a little. Now separate this loop. Tighten it. And then all you're going to do is just pin them up. All repeated until you get down to the neck area. Now she has short hair, so I'm going to have to use some bobby pins to secure that middle. Again, you're going to take the bobby pin, see right here, you're going to grab that hair and then just stick it right in, just to hold it in place. Okay, another section. When you do these bows, I wanted to mention earlier to make sure that when you put them in a ponytail, to make sure that you get as close to the next one as possible. So instead of being down here, you want to be a little bit closer up here. See how close I am up there? Right there. Before I go ahead and secure this down, I'm going to take this tail here and put it right behind this one here. Then secure it down. Put this in between the bow and secure it. Just going to try to hide the tails in between her bows. Now if you have loose hair coming out, you secure them off with more bobby pins if you have to. So I'm going to go ahead and just spread out the bow a little bit. Put some hairspray just to bring these down a little. And then comb down the sides. Spray the sides. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. If there's a style that you would like us to recreate, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. To check out more of our videos, click on over there and there. We love you guys, and until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye guys!